Well, this is my eighth review of the day, and I am reviewing the movie called, people, this film called Shivaay, Shivaay. Actually, it was starring Ajay Devgan. I have to say this, people. When I went for the film, I had no idea that it was about child trafficking, because I happened to take my 4-year-old child with me to watch this movie, because as far as I know, it doesn't have an A certificate, which, yeah, doesn't. So my kid was like terrified, yeah, and because of that, even I, actually, it was very brave to make a film like this about the kind of child trafficking that happens in Europe. You know, so Mm, technically, for and in every frame of the film, you can see the kind of hard work put in. I mean, because the stunts to the way, there's this scene where I don't know, midair, that they are in a little tent midair. You can see it used to come in the promos of the movie also. It's a song sequence being shot there, so I would have to say the movie deserves 4-star rating. But if you're looking for an entertainment value, then no, this is not the kind of film that you can go and watch to get entertained, because it can educate you, definitely. And what else? Yeah, the music. Yeah, I really have to say this, that there's this singer composer by name of Jocelyn Royal. You know, man, her music is like so transporting. I mean, she had even given the music for this movie Bar Bar Dekho. So I think she's a very rare find. So Jaslyn Royal, ma'am, in case you're watching this video, oh my god, I'm a fan. So, so y'all need to listen to the music too. For me, that was like the highlight of the film. So yeah, I'd give it 4 stars. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.